Salam sejahtera and a very good day to everyone watching my video. My name is Christy from myChameleon. Hopefully everyone is staying safe and healthy. Tak ada yang sakit-sakit, tak ada yang cerit-berit. So today I will be showing you another different model for your AirTag. If you're looking for a leather case for your AirTag, we do have this model called Domus by Uniq. They also have 3 different colors, as you can see here. The first one, this is pink. This is dusty pink, a more earthy color. This is brown, a very simple brown. And this is black. Black is always simple and elegant and easy to match. So let's start unboxing this. If you have checked out our video yesterday, I've shown you one of the silicone case by Uniq brand. They make very good quality casing all throughout these years. So this is using the leather material. But please take note that this is not original genuine leather, yeah. This is using synthetic leather. They have very nicely sewn on stitches at the side. So they have one side with hole and another side that is fully covered. So I open like this, remove the paper and slot this in. It's fairly easy to put it in. So you can attach this to your keychain, to your bag, to your handbag. And to get it inside, it comes with 2 different film, one to stick in front and another one at the back. So this is like this. This is a clear film, you know. If you'd like to see how it looks on a handbag, I can show you mine. I also have a similar color, pink color handbag. So you just clip this on. Very easy, and you are ready to go.